Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp puffs. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, finely chopped, and 2 sheets of puff pastry, thawed but kept cold. Don't forget your aromatics like garlic and ginger, plus 1 egg for an egg wash. Now, let's create that flavorful filling. Start by sautéing your minced garlic and ginger until they are wonderfully fragrant. Then, add the chopped shrimp, cooking it just until it turns pink. Stir in your favorite seasonings, perhaps a dash of soy sauce and a pinch of white pepper. Remember to let this mixture cool completely. With your filling ready, it's time for assembly. Roll out your puff pastry to about 1/8 inch thick. Cut it into 2-inch squares or circles, whatever shape you prefer. Place about 1 teaspoon of the cooled shrimp filling onto the center of each piece. Then, carefully fold and seal the edges to create a secure little pocket. Almost done, brush each assembled puff with an egg wash. This gives them a beautiful golden finish. Bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are wonderfully golden brown and puffed up. Serve your delightful shrimp puffs warm, perhaps with a tasty dipping sauce. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.